Hi everybody, welcome back to geography. Excuse me. We are back in Monday. This is week 2, the second week of geography and the last week. Today you are going to do a little reviewing. You are currently listening to today's instructions. You have clicked here. Today you have 3 things to do. First, well, technically 4. First, you're listening to the instructions. So you clicked here, you're listening. The second thing you're going to do is go to the lesson. You're going to explore different map types and their features. This is a review from last week. You're going to click 2 different images here. The first is a short video that explains different map types and the features found on different map types. This is what we did last week. We're exploring physical and political maps. And this video takes you a little bit further and explores topographic maps and special interest maps. So topographic maps are a form of physical maps, and they give you basically elevation, so height. So lots of mountains, and they're often in 3D. And then special interest maps are those maps like maps of theme parks or maps of a city that have icons for post offices or libraries found in the legend. The second image here is a map feature song. It's a funny little video that a teacher made to review map features. So you're going to review those map features. After you've watched those 2 videos, you're going to explore practicing your map skills. You're going to click on the Jeopardy link below, and it's going to open up the Jeopardy game, Jeopardy Labs, and you will then want to change it to just one team because you're just playing by yourself. And then you have different categories and different points, and you're just going to practice reviewing your map skills. So let's say we want to go to true false for 100. Map titles tell us how to read a map, and you're going to answer true or false, and then you will press space and it will tell you the answer. So you're just reviewing just for practice. If you don't know the answers to all of these questions, that is perfectly okay. This is just for your review. Once you've done those 3 activities, you can go back into Google Map and explore, or you can take a little break before you move on to your end of day meeting. The rest of this week you will be creating maps. You're going to make different map types, and you're going to practice labeling your maps, and I'll explain those in our future video introduction lessons. Thank you.